17-3 run. At mula pa ng 13-7 natin.
Oo, simula nung lumabas itong si Hubilla, and then nasundan ni Dungo, medyo nahirapan ng offense. Kasi itong si...
Out, they have this 8-point lead, 27-19. But the Red Cups are just right there. J.E. Lopez draining the deep ball. Our tally, an empty trip for San Sebastian. Here comes J.E. Lopez. Wow, a strong drive. Counted and the foul.
With Hubilla and Lorenzo. Na pag magkasabay.
Etong San Sebastian, medyo manipis ang kanilang line. Wow! Ang lalim kinuha nun ni J.E. Lopez. Dito. Lopez.
Oops.
Dribbling. Lopez finds the bottom of the net. Lecciones is on the move. Lecciones to the corner. Lopez for three. Lopez knocks it down.
Mark De Leon.
That's right.
Hindi pwedeng si Mark De Leon lang. Eto na naman si Lopez sa corner.
Lopez with another 3-point ball. Remaining. Oh, he doesn't get the continuation. Quick outlet for Dungo. Oh, that one bounces out. Lopez cleans it out.